I love arranging flowers in jam jars, but they always slop about a little bit. Now I'm wondering, with this plastic jar here, whether I could make holes through it to hold my flowers in place. I'm Julie from Julie Davis Flower Workshops and Flower Start, the online flower arranging classes. Come and join me and see how I get on. So I've got my jam jar here. Actually, I think it was a peanut butter jar. And then what I'm going to do is heat up this skewer in the gas flame on my cooker and see whether it'll melt the plastic and allow me to make some holes to arrange my flowers through. So here we have the hot skewer and it's starting to melt through the plastic lid. Again, see if I can go all the way through. Wiggle around a little bit. So that'd be great for quite small flower stems, but I might be able to make the hole bigger using my scissors. Open them out and just make the hole a little bit bigger. Like that. So I shall carry on and report back when I've finished. So you can add as many holes as you like, dot them all over the place, or just have a few and then leave the yellow top of your jar exposed as a decorative feature. So this would look really great if you used some yellow flowers to arrange in here and keep the theme yellow. So with my scissors, I can then use that initial hole as a guideline to dig out a bigger opening so that I can arrange flowers that have got quite large stems. Some of them I might just keep small. And then when you've finished making your holes, you'll see that the paper from the inside of the lid is giving a bit of a messy finish. So you need to get rid of that and then neaten up. And then you've got a flower frog to use next time you're arranging flowers in a jam jar. I've added some water to my jam jar, made sure the lid's on firmly, and now it's time to add a few flowers. So I have these spray carnations in a pale yellow and also some yellowy green lisianthus as well. So the sort of things that might be left over from a bigger bouquet of flowers. So you don't need to go out specially and buy flowers for this sort of arrangement. It's more really an opportunity to use up some leftovers that you might have. So instead of throwing them away, if you've had to cut some stems down from a bigger arrangement, you can make use of them in a really decorative way. And you might want to put flowers in every single hole or leave some of the holes bare so you can see the yellow base. And there you have it, just a really easy way of displaying some leftover flowers in a more creative way and getting a bit green at the same time because you've recycled a jar and made use of the plastic lid. And here's my finished jam jar arrangement, making some use of the leftover side shoots from a bigger bunch of flowers, and I've just dug something out of the recycling and made use of it. If you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel where I'll share lots of handy hints and tips for flower arranging and other crafting projects. I hope to see you another time.